Hey everyone, David Cook, and we are here at the new place. So Nathan is making his way in here too with a bunch of tools as we're starting some work today. So we thought we'd do a video of the house as we're moving in and then kind of keep track of everything that we're doing. So this is kind of a breezeway. You can see doorway, bare drywall, nasty trim. So nothing pretty much has been done to this house since 1972. So that's been odd. Flooring is the same, cabinets are the same. The homeowner passed away several years ago, and up until 2 months ago, everything was still in here. She was a borderline hoarder, so there's a lot of stuff they took out, but it's pretty much a clean house before we can actually start moving in. So here is kind of the entrance as you're coming in, like a dining room type thing. And we took out some carpet yesterday because a plumber was here just to see if this was a subfloor or concrete because we didn't know. So all the carpet in there is coming out. And they liked hanging plates. The whole place is filled with all kinds of hangers for hanging plates. They're everywhere, all over the whole house. A little bump out over there, so there's the other side of that one. And then big living room foyer. So actually this was an add-on they added to it. A couple places where they said there was some water, there was water leaks, and they said they were all fixed. So we'll have to see how that goes. Baseboard heating, it's got the gas fireplace there. Pretty big windows. They left all their canning jars for us, which is great for our honey. A couple of these other places where it's got some drywall issues in the ceiling. Part of it's water stains, part of it's actually just drywall stuff like right there. This was an add-on. Several reasons we can tell. One is there's the old window they hauled out, so that'll be filled in at some point. And then we got our, I guess, the living room, family room. I don't know. They got a hole in the floor for vent, fireplace. There's a, I don't know, trophy room of fly swatters. There's another one there. Another hooks all over the place. Some previous water damage. They said again that the ceilings were fixed, so we're hoping that's the case. Tomorrow we start working on getting the drywall worked on, and we'll start prepping for paint. Once all the floors come out, we're just gonna paint all the trim, all the walls. What was another area over here? Oh yeah, we saw window was kind of leaking, so it's actually got a rotten spot. We'll have to fix that. And the foyer tile is bad. It's actually coming up in a bunch of spots. It's kind of a breezeway that goes through the kitchen, but the foyer, again, more holiday plates that were hanging everywhere. This one's kind of weird. Two closets. Don't really understand that one. And then this wall and behind it's like an office area. So we're not quite sure how we're gonna play with this whole area and what we're gonna do, and possibly move this door to get a little bit better. And there's another bedroom type thing that's over here. Both of them dead end, and the really nasty is this bathroom. So do this because it sort of hits the toilet. So there's a toilet, there's a floor, shower, hot tub. Actually, it does work, but it's kind of goofy because you crack your head as soon as you want to get out of it. Glass block is a little different. I'm sure you guys will love the shower. Woo-hoo! It's all nice and pretty. So today, Nathan is here with me, and we are spending the day after we had a plumber yesterday trying to reconfigure this. So pretty much all this is coming out. So if all works well, we'll have a door there and a door there. So that way from this room, we can access the bathroom. We'll have a hall bath here, and then a Jack and Jill bath to share from the office that was behind me, and then this bedroom for guests. So that's kind of our plan of attack for today, is just tearing this stuff out, and then Tuesday, a plumber will be here. We're going to take all the walls, put a new frame, and then we'll just basically cut holes for the doors and get those in at some point. And then some more amazing carpet. And then upstairs, it's actually not bad, it just needs paint, drywall work, a bunch of different areas, kind of little loft type thing. So bedroom here, some different shelves, one of the windows, like the seals and those windows are broken, we'll have to fix those. But this room's not actually pretty good shape. There's some drywall issues around that window, but for the most part, there's not too many. Small closet there. So again, all this is going to get painted. The bathroom is actually decent shape. At some point, when we have money, we'll have to reconfigure this And I think we'll just put a pan because the tub really doesn't make sense for how they had this. It's kind of dumb. The shower curtain is there, and it comes way out to the floor, so it doesn't even make sense. When you're taking a shower, everything's going to get wet. But that's how they figured it out. That's a little cubby hole that goes in there. And then another bedroom. Biggest thing in this one is supposed to be the master, but for the master or primary suite, sorry, that is the closet. It's stupid tiny. So we haven't figured out how we're going to kind of figure this. We actually have a friend of ours and we've done some work for with our painting and wallpaper and cabinets, Jim Prisby from Prisby Caprio Architect. They're actually going to come out and kind of do a little walkthrough with us and kind of give us some ideas on some of the things we may be able to do for layout. This one, I can foresee doing, maybe some kind of trapezoid type thing and do like a closet and small bathroom in there. I think that would be pretty cool, but I don't know. We'll see how that ends up. So pretty much that is, basement. That's pretty much the tour of the house as it is right now. A lot of it is kind of goofy, but that's what we have. And then, kitchen. I didn't show you the kitchen. Woo, Nathan. And there's our amazing kitchen. So I have no idea what we're going to do with this aside from we'll have to keep it for now. We're just going to paint everything white, and that's just going to have to be what it is till budget goes otherwise, and get some ideas on what we're going to do here. And then this goes out door here, goes out the back deck, which actually decent shape, just needs to be power washed and cleaned. And then our basement. So this carpet is just butt nasty. The carpeting guy is coming tomorrow, and he's actually taking all the carpet out for us. And then once we get everything painted, he'll come back and put new carpet in. So there's the basement. It's kind of nice. We can access the upstairs, so if we have to do any kind of plumbing work, it's all there. Some of the stuff is definitely leaving. We just got to figure out plans and what we're going to do aside from the bathroom. And we got a wedding in a month, so we kind of haven't told people we can stay here. So now we have to really make sure that at least we have flooring for the second floor, that bathroom works, and maybe flooring on part of the first floor. We're not exactly sure how this is going to work, but that's the plan as of right now. So there's our tour of the day, and we'll keep you updated as we go.